Good morning. So today we will start with the next topic that called basic arithmetic operation. Today's content we will revise the previous class which we have learned. Then we will learn some evaluating expression. We will do some revision with the quizzes. We learn the topic with the operations, concatenations and introduction to the variable. Now, without wasting time, we move to the previous revision class. So, in previous class, we have learned 6 rules of Java, where rule number 1 says every statement end with the semicolon. Okay. Now, rule number 2 says Java is case sensitive. Rule number 3, every string or text written in double quotes. Rule number 4, the comment should be done by single line comment or multi-line comment. Rule number 6 is print and println. Difference between print. Print means the same line, the text or the content will be printed. Println means the cursor will move to the next line. Got it? Now, we have revised the previous content. Now we will do some revision with the quizzes. So we start with the quiz number first. So in quiz, see the questions very carefully. Okay, here the questions say that read the question very carefully. What will be the output of this? The first statement should be correct if it's end with the semicolon. Otherwise, it show an error. The answer is C. Okay. Why C? C because now see quiz number 6. Quiz number 1. SOP system.out println. Okay, here is written welcome in playground. Okay, but the semicolon is not present. So the answer will be C. That is error. And why it is an error? Because semicolon is not present. Now we'll come to the quiz second. Okay. Now, see the question number 2. What will be the output of this? See this statement very carefully. In question number second, the answer is an error. Why it is answer? Error? Because Java is case sensitive. Hey, the small s is not defined. Java doesn't know the meaning of small s. Capital S it is defined. Because in system the capital S is defined. The small s system is not defined. So Java is case sensitive. Second. Here says that small s. System dot out dot print ln, not a print ln, sorry. Print hi everyone. Is given. Okay. Now answer is C. That called error. Why it is error? Because Java is case sensitive. Okay. Now we will come to question number third. See the question carefully. Here in question third, what is problem? The problem is capital T. Why? Because T is not defined. Java is case sensitive. Okay. So in quiz third, question says that SOP, sorry, system dot capital T out print hi guys. Okay. The answer is C. Error. Why error? Because Java is case sensitive. And why it is case sensitive? Because T is not defined. In previous question, small s is not defined. Now we will come to quiz 4. Now see the question number 4. What will be the output of this? Here answer is an error. Why error? Because in this the string or a text will be written in semicolon, in double inverted comma, sorry, it will be written in double inverted comma. So double inverted comma is not mentioned here. So we'll come to quiz. So SOP is given, I write in short, okay, and without good morning everyone is written here, okay. And why answer is an error? Because answer C, error. Why error? Because string or statement will be written in double inverted comma. Double inverted, okay. Now we'll go for quiz 5. What will be the output of this? Now see the statement. Here the quiz 5 is also error. Why? A single character written in single quote, but there is multiple of character, means string or a sentence, it will be written in double quote, okay. So in quiz 5 SOP is given in single character, happy Thursday is written, okay. So answer is C, means error. Why error? Because single quote required single character, and double quote multiple character. Now we will come to quiz number 6. See the question number 6 very carefully. Here the answer is 30. Why 30? Because we have declared the statement with the print in bracket 10 plus 20 means concatenation is there. So we will evaluate these equations. So answer is 30. Okay. So here SOP is given 10 plus 20. Answer is A. Okay, that is called 30. And why it is 30? Because in Java it will be evaluated. Okay, in Java it will be evaluated, and evaluated means 10 plus 20, that called it take addition perform, that the result will be given 30. Okay. Now we will come to the question number 7. What will be the output of this? Answer is minus 15. Why minus 15? Because 10 minus 25. So Java also declared the negative integers also in result. Okay, the such operation also be performed. So in this question, quiz number 7, that is SOP 10 minus 25, that is answer is A. And why it is A? Minus 15. Because Java contains negative integer also. In the operations. Now we will come to quiz 8. Now see the questions very carefully. In question number 8, the statement is correct. So here the hello will be printed, but in the second statement it is not correct. So the whole sentence will give an error. Okay, the whole sentence will give an error because the hello option is not available. So in quiz 8 the SOP is given, SOP ln is given where they write the hello. Okay, and SOP is given where they write the world but not close it. Okay, so answer is C, that call error. And why it is an error? Because in the rule we have learned that the pairs come okay, then pair come means double pair should be allowed. Okay, so in the world that is not closed. Okay, now we will come to the next quiz. That is called quiz number 9. Okay, so see the question number 9 here. There are two errors. First, capital N, and second, the double inverted comma is not here. So in question number 9 it is an error. Okay, the answer C is an error. Why it is an error? Because Java is case sensitive, and second, double inverted comma comes with pair. Now the question number 10, quiz 10. See the questions very carefully. Here in question number 10, we see that the print is given, the next line the indication is not there, so it's the same line, the hello will be printed, but the ln is not given, the next line the cursor will not move, so the world will be printed in the same line. So here the hello world will be printed in the same line. Okay, how? Just check in the terminal this question to the terminal. Same question. We go, program is Java. Okay. Here hello is been printed. Okay, now system.out.print ln. Okay, here the world is printed. Okay, see, it will come within the same line. If here the ln is here, okay, if it is not ln here, now they see the result. It will come to the next line also. Hello will be printed in first line and the word will be printed, because here the ln we have printed, the cursor will move to the automatically to the second line. But here in previous question, here the ln is not printed. Okay, the ln is printed in the second line. So after printing the word, the cursor automatically move to the third line. So here the hello world will be printed in the same line. Let's see. Okay, so SOP hello and SOP ln. World. Okay, so answer is B, that call hello world. And why it is, we learned print and println. Okay, the difference between print and println. Now we'll come to the next quiz, that quiz number 11. See the questions very carefully. Take your time. Here in this question, the hello will be printed in the same line, but the ln, the cursor will be moved. If a cursor will move, the word will be printed. Okay, but word will be printed, but the ln is not here, so the cursor will move to the next line or not? It will not move to the next line, so the welcome will be printed here. So here hello will be printed in first line, and second word welcome will be printed on the second line. So the answer of this is D. Quiz 11. SOP is given. Okay, SOP ln hello is given. Okay, SOP given, that called world is given. And SOP ln SOP ln is given. Okay, and here the welcome is given. So answer is D. And why it is D? Because in first line the hello will be printed, but ln is given, so the cursor will move, and the cursor will move, the word will be printed. But if there is no ln, the cursor will not move, and this third line, the welcome will be printed with the respect. And the next line, it will give any space, nothing will be printed. Now we will come to the quiz. Before come to quiz 12, now our content will be started. Before quiz 12, we'll go with the content that called new content that called operator. So here we have revised our previous class, what we have learned. Now the next topic today we will learn is an operator. Okay, we learn with the operator now. So here there is a rules of operators, some rules. Okay, rules of operators, some rules. First one, 4 basic operator. There are 4 basic . There are 4 basic operator in Java. Okay, that called positive, plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, second, an operator operates on operand . So whatever the operands will give, operator is given on the operand. What is operator? If example, if you're talking about 2 plus 5. Okay, so 2 and 5, what are operands? And the operator is addition. So what the sentence said, the operator operates the 2 operands on the operands. Okay, now we'll come to the third point. If any decimal if any operator is decimal. Java makes the output a decimal. So now in operator we have discussed this thing. So we'll talk about some addition. Okay, first operator, that is called addition. If we see 2 plus 3, here 2 and 3 are operands. Okay, and plus is operator. Got it? If 2.5 plus 3 is given, so Java gives 3.0. Now we will see in terminal to explain the addition performance. Okay, so we go for the terminal. Okay, now we're talking about the operator. Okay, before going for the operator, just see what we have written. There are 4 basic operators that call addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, these are the operands. Second point. And the third, every decimal, any operator is a decimal, Java makes the output decimal. So we'll come with the addition point. Now we will see in terminal. Here we talk about operator. Okay, and where we see that system.out.println. Okay, here 2 plus 3. Okay, this is the addition performed. Here the 2 and the 3 are what? Operands. Okay, now if we run this program, it will give the positive integer value. Okay, that is called 5. Now the second rule says that if you use the decimal point, if you use the float point, okay, if you use the float point, okay, if you use the float means dot, means decimal value. Okay, if you use 2.5 plus 5, so Java, what will we run? Java gives always point value, and it means 7.5. See, the result will come with the decimal, always come with the decimal. If I do the first operand, that is called 2, and second operand 5.0. Okay, I change the second operand. So what will the see result? We'll see 7.0. Okay, the decimal number should be counted if we write in decimal. Whatever you write in decimal in addition, okay, in addition, whatever you write, it will give, whether you use in integer value or use in decimal value. Okay, now comes in picture Now we will come to the notes that called multiplication. We learned some rules from multiplication. If 2 multiplied by 2.4, here the 4.8, so here the decimal takes precedence. Okay, similar for the multiplication. If we do system dot out dot print ln, okay, and we will do the multiplication. Okay, means 2 into 5, so it will give normally as a integer value, positive integer value. Now we will, my god, what the problem here? Okay, sorry, and I comment that all. Okay, if I run this, here the decimal with the without decimal the positive integer will flow, but if we use the decimal, so it takes decimal first. Java always take decimal first. So if 2.5 into 5 is given, so the Java will always give the decimal value first, preference. So here is 12.5. Okay, so decimal will be counted. Now for the division rule, we come to the division. Okay, we perform some operation. The next operation is division. Now first, when both the operands are integers, Java downgrades the result to an integer. So means it just remove the decimal value. Okay, let's check it this point. Now we come to the division sector. Okay, our statement says that if we print, okay, if we do some division, 7 divided by 2, so according to the mathematics, if we divide, there is a some point value will be given. Okay, but in Java, when we perform the division operation, the Java terminates all the decimal value, means it remove all the decimal value, it give whatever the integer, the first integer comes, means if 7 divided by 2, it gives only 3. Just see, I have not marked it. one second. Okay, I ran this code. Okay, see, in the execution it will give only 3, but the actual answer is 3.5. Okay, if you see, it requires an 3.5. If you do the another operation, means if you try system dot out dot print, okay, I will do 2 divided by 3. Okay, so what will be the result? It will give the 0. See the answer. My god, I have not here written the line. Next line, let's see. Here the second statement gives what? 0. Why? It doesn't take after the decimal value, it takes before decimal value. Okay, the first rule was clear. Whenever the integer divided, it terminates all the decimal value. The first point is as simple as that. Now we'll come to the second point. You cannot divide with 0. It gives the error called as arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception. Whenever any integer divided by 0, it gives an error. Now, in similar case, if you divided any integer by 0.0, okay, so Java gives infinity. Okay, it show an error when it is divided by 0. Okay, if we divided by 0.0, it gives an infinity. Just check these points very carefully. Okay, here some operations perform. I just commented. Okay, now we'll go to the next line. Okay, we write here, let's check it. Okay, when we divide by 7 divided by 0, and if we run, it gives an error that called arithmetic exception. See, okay, it shows an arithmetic exception when any number, when it divided by 0.0, it gives infinity. Just check it. Okay, so there is 3 points in division which we have to remember. Now in operator we learn operator, we see the subtopic that called ranking. If more than 5 equations, okay, multiple equations are given, how Java will perform? So here some ranking order is defined for that equation. Okay, so what is the ranking order? First rank. Rank first. Okay, what is rank first? Braces have highest priority. Okay, first the braces have highest priority. Second, rank 2. Okay, that called multiplication oblique division. Okay, multiplication and division both have same priority. When it comes in the equations, so which we have to give the first priority. So with this, the 1 on that is first from the left. When from the left side, who comes first, whether multiplication or division, we prefer first as a priority. Okay, now we'll talk about the rank 3 order. Okay, so in rank 3 we have addition and subtraction. Both have same priority. The 1 on that is first from left. Okay, now we'll discuss some example. Okay, means taking an example to understand this. If 10 divided by 2 is given, okay, multiply by 5 minus 2 plus 6 is given. So what will we solve? How we will solve? Okay, so according in Java, we give the priority first to the open braces. Okay, so here first comes the open braces comes, and in that open brace, inside the open braces also here, open and close braces. Okay, so we give the priority first braces. So we will solve in the braces first. Here we solve 10 divided by 2. In division we know that decimal value is removed. Okay, so 5 is here. 5 multiplied by 5 minus 2 plus 6 is here. Okay, now see the priority operation. Okay, what is that? The priority is that multiply minus plus. So here the multiply comes, 5 has 25 minus 2 plus 6. Now in the operation we will see that next minus and positive is here. So what will be performed? Okay, what will be we perform? Here we perform what? From the left side we see the minus is here. So in this 25 minus 2 is here. 25 minus 2 means 23. Okay, and 23 plus 6, that called 29. Here the answer is 29. Similarly, if we take the another case, okay, that called 7 minus 2 plus 4 plus 18 divided by 3. If we do this, okay, so here 7 minus 2, okay, the 7 minus 2, first we check that the division which one is greater, okay, according to the rank. So division is the greater, so first we will solve the division. Here 7 minus 2 plus 4 plus 18 divided by 3, 6. Okay, now we'll see from the left side. Here the minus plus having the same priority, but we will come from taking see the left side. Okay, here 7 minus 2, that is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, that is 15. Okay, that 16 is an answer. You got our point or not? Okay, so there is ranking operation performed, ranking order, which we have been done. Now we will see some quizzes to understand better. Now we will come this quiz number 12. Which of the following are the operators? All of them we have learned previously. The 10 plus 30 in the given expression, choose the operands. We are talking about the operand, not the operator. So how many operands are there? Only 2, that is called 10 and 30. So only 10 and 30 both are an operands. Here what will be the output of this? Simple addition. Okay, simple addition required. 8 plus 5 means 30. See the operation. 5 minus 8 means minus 3. 5 plus 8, 13. 5 multiplied by 8, 40. Simple multiplication. In division rule we have learned the division. Okay, eight divided by 2 means 4. Here the answer is 4. Here the answer is 4 for this question. Okay, 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 means 3. We cannot count in division decimal value. Okay. Now we see the question number 20. 24 divided by 9. What will be the answer? The answer is 2. Here 2 comes, 2 point something is there. So we'll remove the decimal, only 2 is the answer. What will be the answer of 3 divided by 6? Here the answer is 0. Why 0? 6 divided by 3 means 0.0 is 0. Okay, that 3 comes, point come. Okay, after point the value is not come, so we count as 0. Now we see the question number 22. A number divided by 0, what it will give? It will give error or infinity. Give an error. Any number which divided by 0 will give an error. Okay, now we see the question number 23. System.out.print 6 multiplied by 7 divided by 6. Okay, in this question what will we see? We will solve according to the rules of ranking. Okay, in the operator. So what the rules of ranking says? First we'll see which one is the priority in the bracket. Okay, in the bracket what are the priority? The multiplication and division both are in same priority, but who comes left will give the first priority. In the left we see that multiply. So 6 multiplied by 7, 7 6 of 42 divided by 42 divided by 6 means 7, 7 6 of 42. Got it or not? Got it? Now here there are some operations we have to perform. See the operations. First, in the braces, multiplication, addition, multiplication minus division. Okay, but in the equation we have to see the ranking priority. First braces are there, the braces comes. Okay, first we solve the braces. The inside the braces the equation has been given. In the equation we see the addition, multiplication and division are there, so we come with left hand side rule. The second priority is multiplication and division. So here from the left side we see the first addition will perform, will not perform. We see multiplication. So first we will do the multiplication with 3 into 6. Okay, that is 6 12 18. Okay, 4 plus 18 is here minus 7 by 2. Okay, now we see what divide. 7 divided by 2 means 3, means 4 plus 18 minus 3, that is called 19. Here see the, we'll see in the notes same question that called 24. Okay, hurry up. We see the quiz number 24. Okay, the quiz 24, that SOP is there. 4 plus 3 multiply by 6 minus 7 by 2. Okay, is given. Now in Java we know that there is some rules and regulations in the operation. Okay, we see the ranking order. What is the ranking? The braces are come first. Okay, the braces, inside the braces the operation is performed. Here the addition is given, division is given, multiplication is given and division is given. Now from the left side what we'll see, after addition there is a multiplication. So first we'll give the priority to the multiplication, then division. Here the 4 plus come here. What will be the multiplication? That called 18 minus. Now what will you give the priority? Second priority will give the division. 7 divided by 2, that is called 3. Okay, is here. 18 plus 4, that is called 22 minus 3, that is called 19. Okay, so in this way we solve the equations. First and that is the correct answer. Okay, now we'll come to the next question. Sorry, the display is not visible here. See that question again. 4 plus 3 is given. So 4 will be right here. Here we see the left side. Multiplication then subtraction then division. So we give the multiplication division priority. First we multiply that number, that is called 18. Okay, we will do the 18. After minus we will do the similar sign. We will divide by 7 by 2. That is called 3. We adding and subtracting. From the left side, first we will add, that is called 22. 22 minus 3, that called 19. From this method we can solve this. Okay, now we'll come to the next question in picture, that is called 25. See, first the priority 5 plus 2 multiply by 3. What will be the priority first? Multiplication. Okay, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 5, that's called 11. Okay, similar form this, 5 plus 15 divided by 5 plus 6 multiply by 3. Now multiplication and division have same priority. Okay, so I will solve this question on the note to understand better. At quiz number 26. Here the SOP is given. Okay, and 5 plus 15 divided by 5 plus 6 multiply by 3. Okay, this is the question given. Now what will we do? We solve according to the ranking order. Okay, so what is the ranking order say? In the equation we have to see the multiplication and division first. So here the division and after that multiplication comes. So here we write the 5 as it is. We will divide this number, that called 3, plus 6 as it is. We see what? Not a 6, sorry, we see 6 multiply by 3. 6 multiply by 3, multiplication, second priority multiplication. From left we see from the left to the right. So right here the multiplication there, that called 18. Okay, now 5 plus 3 plus 18 means that 21 plus 5, that called 26. Okay, so answer is 26. Here for this question the answer is what? 26. You can check in on the terminal also. Okay, similarly for the question number 27. What will be the priority first? We have to see from the left side, multiplication and division. Here 8 comes, 7 minus 8 plus 6. 7 minus 8 means minus 1 plus 6, that called 5. So answer is 5. Similarly for question number 8, just see the questions very carefully. The braces are given. In the braces, multiplication has the priority. 3 4s are 12. Okay, 12 divided by 2 means 6. 6 plus 7 plus 3 minus 2. Okay, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 3, that calls 16. 16 minus 2, that calls 14. Answer is 14. Okay. Similarly for question number 29, what will we see here? 5 plus 2 multiply by 4. Here we see we will do first multiplication, means first we will do this operation, and second we will do this operation. 4 2s are 8, 8 here, okay, and here 3. 5 plus 8 minus 6 plus 3. 5 plus 8, 8 8 16, correct. 16 plus 5 21. 21 minus 6, that called 15. 15 plus 3, that is called 18. Answer is an 18. Check it very carefully. We will see on this terminal. Okay. Here I write the equation and see 18 is an answer, and what I have done, 18, correct. From this method the compiler works. So you have to learn some fundamental concept, okay, some brainstorming. So here see the 30 questions. Quiz number 30. 5 plus 2. Here the bracket comes first. So here the bracket braces given the higher priority. So first we will solve the braces. Okay. So here we will solve the braces first. Here the 7's come. 7 multiplied by 3. 27. Means 21. Okay, the answer is 21. Now we'll come to the another topic that called concatenation. Okay, the last topic, maybe the last, now second last topic. We'll come for concatenation. Concatenation. Concatenation means addition. Means addition. Addition of string. If concatenation comes in picture, it means addition of string. A string must be there. A string must be there. Okay. Now, so here there is some rules of concatenations. We see some rules first. Anything that is written, okay, in double quote, is a string. Second, concatenation adding of string, adding of string using plus operator. Okay, now third point. Concatenation works only when at least one operands is a string. Now the fourth point, no other operator work with string. That is called multiplication, division, okay, subtraction, etc. anything. Okay, now when we see that if we talk about the character, okay, the character comes in picture with a single quote. Character comes with picture with a single quote. Okay, a single quote and the string comes with a double quote, means hello Harshit, or string means double quote. So it is called, and double quotes called, so that is single quote called as character literal, and double quote is called as string literal. Now we'll see in the terminal how it is performed. We talk about concatenation. Okay, so in concatenation, what will come in picture? You see the picture that system dot out dot print. Here, if we add something string with the number, adding a string with the number, if we write hello, first we add with a string with a string. Okay, hello plus world. Okay, here see, in concatenation hello world will be printed. Now if we required here some space, so what will we do? We will add some space with the addition. See here, what we have done, we have done double quotes with the space with the addition. So here comes in picture what with the space is hello world. That is called first case. Now if we about the second case, okay, if we add with hello, okay, addition with concatenation, sign with 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Why I am doing, I will tell you. Okay, let's see the result. I commented first to understand better. Okay, here what will be happen? First the string will be added, second the number will be added. Okay, first concatenation between two operands. First it will be added with 5, then hello 5 will be printed, then it will added with the 6, hello 5 6 will be printed, then it will added with the 7, hello 5 6 7 will be printed, then it will be added to the 8, hello 5 6 7 8 to be printed. Similarly, if system dot out dot print ln, okay, now we will do 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus same hello. Okay, hello plus 5 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, here you see, so what will be happen? See the result. In second line, sorry, I write fast. Here 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, the operation will be performed, the addition operation will be performed. After string, the addition will be not performed. So remember the point, if before the strings added, it will be added the number. Okay, after the string added, it will added similarly number. As this number you give, similarly the number will be printed. See here, before it will be added the number that called 26, after adding the string it will be added similar number. Okay, so there is no difference. So here the concatenation pictures. Now if we talk about out dot print, okay, if we added some literal, a concatenate literal with hello, what will we get the result? Just see. A plus hello means character plus hello will also be printed. See, I use the character literal and hello. Correct? The A hello also be printed. So after whatever you want to print, you print it according to the string literal and character literal. Now we will solve with the quiz. Now see the question. System.out.print hello plus world. So here it will be simply added, means there is no space, hello world will be printed. Come to question here, 32, quiz number 32. See the questions carefully. Here the system.out.print given hi in double quote because it is not a character, it is string. Hi plus student string plus namaste. So here hi student namaste will be the answer. Now here similarly system.out.print hi, okay, between the one space is given namaste here. So here hi namaste will be printed. Now see the question number 34 very carefully. Hi multiply by guys. So there is any operation with the multiplication? No. So it always give error. In concatenation, in operations, only the concatenation means addition will be performed. No multiplication, no division, no subtraction will be allowed. Now see the question number 35 very carefully. The string minus home, will it give the result? No. So it give an error. Okay. Now we see the question number 36 very carefully. Hello plus 3. It will be printed? Yes. It will be printed. Simply it will print hello 3. Now see the question number 37. What will be printed? It will be simply printed hello 34 because string with the number, addition of number, the whatever the addition you perform with the string, later it will always give the similar value what you have given as output. So there will be no operation between after the string operation, after the string, okay, after string there will be no operation of the number. Now see the quiz number 38. Hello is given plus 10 plus world. So here the string 10 world, okay, because there is no space is given. That is the answer. Now we'll see the question number 39. 10 plus welcome. It gives 10 welcome. Now we'll see the question number 40. System.out.print 10 plus 20 plus wake up. Now here the operation will perform. So 10 plus 20, that called 30. 30 plus wake up plus 32 means 30, wake up 32 means before string it will perform the operation, okay, after string it will not perform. Whatever you write it will as it is printed. Now see the question number 41 carefully. Hi guys multiply by 2. So there is no operation, so it is an error. Now see this question 42 carefully. 30 plus wake up 32. No. Wake up plus 3 multiplied by 2. It gives an error. Why? Why gives an error? If 30 will be operated after it adding with a string. The 3 will be added. After the wake up 3 string will be added, the multiplication of 2 will be performed. No, it gives an error. See this question. Okay, see this question. Just copy question. Okay, just see in terminal. See it very carefully. We have write the question here. Wait a second. I will comment all previous one. Now I will run it. Here there will be no error. After addition, the addition will be not performed, the multiplication will be performed. So here 30 wake up 6 is an answer. Perform something means the answer is not an error. I have done mistaken. Okay, 30 wake up 6 is an answer. Now see, 10 plus hello multiplied by world. So here there is an operation between hello plus world. Addition will be performed, but multiplication will not perform. It gives an error. Just check it. To the terminal. We'll see the question number 43. That is the multiplication of 2 string. Okay, that is an error. Now in question number 44, see the statement very carefully. So here welcome plus home, welcome home minus home. So there is no operation between string minus string. So it gives an error. Now we'll see the question number 45, that is called system.out.println. Here the operation of 10 and 20 is here, that called 30 plus hello. So here the 30 plus hello will be the answer. Now that's called variable. We talk about the variable. Here to define the variable, just see the example. Okay, this is a water bottle. Okay, this is a water bottle. In this water bottle, this is bottle. In this bottle we can store only the liquid material. Okay, whether the water, whether the oil, or whether something else, the liquid material will be stored. If we store the molten lava, well, it will store, the container will store the molten lava or not? It is not, because it is not possible. Similarly, with the variable, we know that, okay, so to define a bottle, you need a capacity, means what you want to store, a water, oil, or molten lava. Okay, how much capacity is there, means how much space, and what do you want, what do I want to store in a bottle. Okay, so a variable is nothing but a bottle. Okay, variable is means a bottle. To define a variable, to define variable, you need to know what are you storing in it. Okay, you are storing water in, if talking about the variable, okay, you are storing positive variable, negative variable, decimal variable, negative decimal variable, which type of variable you are storing. Okay, once you define, means an integer type variable, a float type variable, a long type variable, which type of variable, once you define a variable, you cannot define it again. Once you define variable a, okay, you define the integer type of variable a, you cannot define the integer type of variable a again. So here we talk about the variable. Okay, now if I take an integer variable, okay, variable a, okay, and I take string type variable, that called b. Now you know that a is a variable, okay, and what does a store? Okay, what does you store? So for initialization, putting some value, putting water into bottle, means to store a integer type value. Okay, to store an integer type value. Now, for storing integer type value means a equals to 10. If we declare this, so how we will print it? System dot out dot print ln that called a. Just see it. It will give the 10 only. Sorry. See, I have taken the integer type variable. Okay, that is called a, and a what I have to store an integer value, a positive or negative integer. Okay, so here I stored a 10, and after storing 10 it will print no. I have to given the print statement which I have done. To called a, I have simply what I have done in the bracket. I have write similarly to called a. Whatever a which we store in the a, it directly printed. If a I give the value 1020, so it will print only 1020. Okay, see this. So this is the initialization of a. So you understand what is variable. Okay, now we'll come to this topic. Create a variable type integer and give name as num and assign 34. int num equals to 34. That is your answer. What will be the output for this? Int val equals to 30. System dot print val is 30. If int a is 10, int b is 20, system dot out a plus b. If we perform the same variable addition, it will perform 30 only. Okay, now the last and final question. If int a is 10, int b is 20, the product of number is addition of string plus product of number means 200. The product of number is 200, and that is the answer. So today's class we have been completed. Now you can solve this assignment problem very carefully. Okay, I will upload this assignment in the description box. You can just download it. And finally, who have been completed their basic programming language, okay, they just solve the sheets only. They doesn't require it. Okay, for understanding this question, these are the basics, the basic pattern which we are starting for the beginners. This course are from entirely from the beginners who doesn't know the programming language. Okay, these are not for the intermediate. If you are intermediate, just solve the questions only. Okay, just solve the questions very carefully. So there is addition question also, just solve it. Now the session will be over. So thank you.